السلام عليك يا رسول الله. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.
The vast expansion of the tools provided to us by the social media outlets, one would think that the notion of friendship and the phenomenon of making friends has become a lot more convenient. Since every one of us has at least a Facebook and a Twitter account, then it has become a lot more convenient for us to meet true friends, real friends. And the question to be asked here is, have we truly been making real friends? Have we truly been introduced to friends who we can rely on, friends who we can depend on? Has social media made it more convenient for us to find dependable, true, real friends? Or have they been designed as businesses looking to make billions of dollars for themselves? Forbes suggests that Twitter is worth more than $30 billion. WhatsApp was recently purchased for over $19 billion. And Facebook, $67.8 billion, are multi-billion-dollar industries looking to make money for themselves. Let us ask ourselves, since the birth of social media within our lives, since we started our Facebook account, since we started our Twitter account, how many real friends have we made? How many dependable friends have we been introduced to? Or is it that we have been spending hours upon hours of our precious lives, the time that it has been gifted to us by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, behind our iPhone screens and our laptop screens, searching for a mirage that does not exist? When it comes to this particular notion of friendship, making friends, who are our friends? Who are the best of friends? Who are the worst of friends? What are the principles and etiquettes and laws concerning friendship in Islam? As a topic that is less likely to be discussed in a time where every single one of us, young or old, teenager or an adult within our community, are all in need to learn the Islamic perspective on the notion of friendship. That is why I have chosen to discuss this topic in the following points.